Page 19, Bagatelle. 3/4 time. 1 sharp in the key signature. We're in the key of G major. Make sure you can do the scale on G major, at least 1 octave up and down. Let's check their notes and fingerings and all that stuff. The rhythm should hopefully is not a problem. You got quarter notes and half notes. But at the beginning, look at these first 4 notes in this. A D, a G, a B, and a D. That's a G chord. So I mean the chord is here, it's an octave. And that's the fingering. I recommend 4th finger on that B. Here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, stay there. 1, 2. Measure 5, same thing. Measure 9, 4. Scrunch up for measure 10, it's thumb. And then go to measure 13, scrunch up again, 4th finger. So you do it all again. Left hand, well, what do we got going on here? We got a G and a B here. Quarter notes, well this is going to be fun. And then a C. That's great. Second line's more of that. And then 3rd line, now you got 1 beat rest to get here. It's a D, an A, and a C. You see, when you got to figure out what these chords are, you spell out the chord. Start with the bottom note and take each note, however many notes are in the chord, until you figure it out. So it's a D, next note is an A, and the top note is a C. And that's the chord. And here. And then the next measure, it's a D, a G, and a B. These just came down. Then you have a D chord. Know your primary chords. This is the 1 chord, this is the 4 chord. And back to this A, C. See the D staying where it is. You just come in. That's all we're doing. Both hands together here. So you work it out. Both hands together, and then we come back and we add in the articulation, which there really isn't any. You got slurs in the right hand. You can't connect these chords on a piano, but they're not staccato either. So just do the best you can with them. Connect them as best you can. So it's here. Now, because this is a bagatelle, you have to consider the music and this is kind of a fun piece. I suggest you play these chords more like an 8th note, 8th rest. It's a staccato. It's a long staccato. That makes it bounce along a little bit, but the right hand is connected. So can you connect one hand and at the same time disconnect the other? Good luck with that. But it's basically the same way all the way through. Dynamic wise, that's the melody, which is the right hand. Moderately loud, whatever you think that is, and you're going to crescendo up to loud. That's loud. We're loud all in here because those hairpins, well, all of these notes are in the middle. Now we come back down to moderately loud. Second line is an echo of that. It's soft and go up to moderately soft and back down. And then measure 9, now you're loud. And then on measure 13, it's an echo of that. It's soft. The left hand has to stay in the background. Well, good luck with that with these chords. I suggest you keep these chords either very soft or soft. Don't get it much louder than that. Something along that. And then moderato is in the middle, but it's the feel of it. It's not the pole. It's not how fast the beat goes. It's the overall feel of the piece needs to be kind of a moderate feel. And I think that to me that's a nice moderate. Maybe even that's a little slow. I don't know. It's just. Now it is repeat, it's got repeat signs all over the place. So you're going to play the first 2 lines twice, and then you're going to play the second 2 lines twice, because they're surrounded by repeat signs. Yeah. I like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. The rhythms aren't a problem, but the notes, you can do it one-handed at a time if you need to, but let's just check it. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. Repeat. One, two, rest. Repeat.